power lines also collapsing under the weight of the snow and the strong wind gust. If you're out driving today, you may have come across a stoplight that's not working. There have been hundreds of thousands of power outages all over the state. And despite the miserable conditions, crews are still out there making sure that people can get the power back on. Jeff Todd tagged along with one of those crews and joins us now tonight. Jeff, a long day for those men and women, too.
Karen, we talked to a lineman who got to work before dawn, and he was expecting a long night ahead.
We've got a little bit over 100 square miles territory down here on the plains, so there's always something happening somewhere.
We met up with Ty Derby and his team just south of Brighton. The crew from United Power was going nonstop in the worst conditions of the day.
I've been with United Power 15 years, but this has been a pretty good storm, but it keeps us going.
Ty then got in the bucket and started replacing a fuse on a line.
Oh, it's a little challenging.
He also checked to make sure all of these lines had power. What keeps you working out in these conditions?
We got to keep the customers on. I know a lot of people are home right now and they do not want to be in the dark, so that's pretty much why me and everybody else are out here right now.
United Power had a few thousand people without power throughout the day. As the wind blew snow sideways, Ty and his co-workers know they'll be working like this for the next few days. What are you doing to stay warm?
Usually I've just got a couple layers on underneath here, and I've got my thermals on and my Carhartts on, and then I use the rain gear, and that kind of puts a wind barrier on me. And as you keep moving, that's half the battle. So.
And some relief once you get back in your car?
Yeah, on to the next one, exactly.
Xcel Energy says there's still 143,000 people without power, but they have about 500 crews out there. They expect it to be a few days before everyone gets their power back. Reporting live tonight, Jeff Todd, covering Colorado First.
Thank you, Jeff.